Here I am, and I'm going to assemble this. You just saw me glue them with that nice epoxy. And just watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put down the camera. You should still be able to get a good view of what I'm doing. What I'll do first is I'll take this right here. Separate that tape. If you notice, it's double-sided, and there. Let me take a look at what I did. See, I just did a little bit right on top. See, just that little bit right on top. Then I'm going to fold it like so. This part can be pulled away because it's in place. I'm just going to go a little bit at a time. You can see. I'm trying to keep these all lined up. So twist it, drop it, squeeze it a little. And see what I'm doing. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, straightforward. And this is just the beginning of assembling. Kind of see what it's done. Don't worry about those little gaps in here, because now you've kind of cushioned this a bit. Now the next thing you need to see, very important, is you need to see how this is going to fit inside the machine in case you've done something a little wrong. You kind of want this to fit. Yeah, you're going to look carefully, because you still have a chance to take it apart, because that stuff hasn't hidden. And you can see she fits. There's a clear space here that goes all the way through. You should be able to see my hand moving there. There's a clear space. So at this point in time, I'm just going to take this part right back out. I don't want it to dry in there sticky. And you see, I'll just keep it like this, and I'll allow this to dry a bit. Now, because I only have one piece of metal tape on here, I have the ability to trim off this side and off this side in order to make it fit better inside here. The whole idea of that is when air blows into here, when that air comes in, she will, as you can take a quick look at it, that air will be focused inward very strongly and should actually let everything cool off nicely. This one I designed differently. On this machine, I have this board over here. I have another machine right over there mining. You can take a look at it. Now that machine, you just see it just started to pick up a little bit. That machine, the board's on this side. I'll be testing and comparing if you're better off having the board mounted here or having the board mounted here. I don't know yet. I'm going to let this dry for now, and then I'll come back, I'll take this piece, I'll finish wrapping it up with some quality aluminum tape. All this wood will be shielded from being burned in case there's any issues. This aluminum tape is highly protective. And then this piece will be attached with a couple of screws here, with a couple of screws here, and a screw down under here, and that'll stay in place. So I'm going to sign off for now, and that's what I got for right now. You can kind of hear the noise of the other machine as its speed just picked up. I just want to show you quickly, right over here, when it speeds up, goes to about 303, then it slowly drops down to about 293 as the fan picks up and loses speed. So I'm ranging between 293 and 303 watts with that modded unit. You can see it's still pretty quiet. That's what I got for now.